Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I have a really exciting haul for you guys because I have my first ever Loungefly haul. I am so excited. This is the first ever Loungefly that I've purchased, and I managed to purchase 2 mini backpacks, 1 crossbody, as well as a coin purse. So let's get into unboxing my first ever Loungefly. So the first one that I officially bought, I used box lunch money for, which is awesome because I ended up only paying like $30 for this bag, which is insane to me because the retail price of it is $79.90, and it is this incredible Princess and the Frog mini backpack. I literally cannot get over how excited I am for this bag. You guys have no idea how much I love this. Like, one thing about me is that I am very much like a movie accurate loving person. Let me explain. I don't like the bags that are super stylized in one particular style, if that makes sense. Like, they had like a Little Mermaid backpack where, you know, it was a beautiful scene of like the Kiss the Girl scene, but it was like very stylized. I'll put a picture of it here. It's a gorgeous bag, but I just prefer things to be movie accurate. And I love the bags that have movie scenes, but a lot of them are stylized in like a certain way. And so when I saw this bag that is like literally to a T the shot from the movie, I literally like lost my mind. So let me pull you guys in so you can see this a little bit better. Obviously we have the Disney Loungefly plaque right here in white, and then we have the entire wedding scene from Princess and the Frog, and it is Naveen and Tiana getting a little smoochy smooch, which I love. And there's like little beaded sections all around this bag, and I don't think you can tell on camera, but the animals are actually like very slightly raised up, like very slightly raised up, but it just kind of gives the bag a little bit more dimension, I think. And I mean, I just think this is stunning. It does not have a front pocket like a lot of Loungefly bags, which I'm totally okay with because I love that this scene is just like complete, and I just, oh, I love it. It's got it does have side pockets though, which is nice. Perfect for sliding in your phone, easy access for when you're taking pictures and such, which I love. It's got beautiful gold hardware along the side, just regular Loungefly button or zipper pulls, and then this gorgeous shade of a green straps that match the pockets, obviously. And so I have not taken out the card, or the paper on the inside. The fabric on the inside is super gorgeous. Let me see if I can fold this back without hurting the bag too much. It's got Tiana, little frog, Froggy Prutos. It's got Tiana's palace over there. And lotus flowers, and it's just a gorgeous print. And then it does have an interior zipper pocket right here, which is perfect, and it's pretty deep. So yeah, this is a really nice size mini backpack in my opinion, and I cannot wait to wear this with my Tiana ears, which I'm making. These are the like ear prototypes. Can't wait to finish these. Those will be up on my Etsy shop soon. I'll leave a link in the description. But also these ears will be on my Etsy shop as well. So if you like these are already listed on my Etsy shop. Again, I'll link those below. To match this lovely bag, I also picked up the matching coin purse that says Tiana's Palace right there. Are you guys team Tiana's Palace or team Tiana's Place? I feel like people interchange them and get them confused, and I'm just curious what you guys prefer merch-wise, for which thing you prefer it to say. But anyways, it says Tiana's Palace and has some gorgeous lotus flowers and Mr. Naveen as a frog up there. And then on the back, it says New Orleans with some lotus flowers. And then same gold hardware and same internal print as the mini backpack. And this retails for $10.90. Pretty sure I paid like $5 for it. So gotta love those box lunch money days. Next up, I have this gorgeous bag that is so perfect for everyday wear, I think, because it's not super obvious that it's Disney. Like, looking in the camera, you wouldn't necessarily think this is like a Disney bag, but once you look a little closer, you can see that all of the flowers on here are representations of princesses, and super lightly, I don't know if you can tell, all the princesses are on it. So we have Sleeping Beauty, we have Ariel, is that Belle? Here on the back you can see a little bit better, I feel like, that it has, you know, Tiana, Mulan, I think is, yeah, Rapunzel's on there with all of like the flowers that kind of represent them. And again, I just think this is so pretty, and I love it for kind of just regular wear. I mean, obviously, you know, I'll be taking it to the parks and everything. But yeah, it's gorgeous. It's got this beautiful tan color like accent, and it does have a front pocket along with gold hardware, as you can see. So the front pocket is currently filled. Oh, I forgot how pretty the lining is on this one. So yeah, it's got a nice big front pocket there. And then let me take out the card or the paper on the inside. I genuinely think my favorite thing about this bag just might be the inside, because this is one of the best internal prints I think any Loungefly has had, like, ever. It is all the princesses that are featured on the bag in this beautiful pink and darker pink print. And I just think it's so stunning, all of them together like that. Yeah, I'm just obsessed. I think this is so gorgeous. So very excited about this bag. Last but certainly not least, I have a Star Wars themed bag. I got this on Mercari. I think I paid $45 plus shipping for it, which I feel like is pretty good, because I saw it some places where it was like $56 around there, but I paid $45 for this one. It is in like the literally perfect condition. Look at this freaking crossbody. Are you joking me? I'm freaking zest. So this is a red Sith Trooper crossbody bag. It has the Star Wars Loungefly plaque there on the back. And then it has got this kind of, you know, three-dimensional stitching and different coloration to outline this trooper's helmet. Like I said, crossbody bag. I love that they chose like a darker gunmetal color for the hardware. And then on the inside, it's got, oh man, I'm gonna sound like a terrible Star Wars fan. Is this the Sith emblem? Let me look it up, because I'm going to get it wrong if I don't. Yes, this is the symbol for the Sith. And it's black and red there on the inside. And then it also actually has a card holder. I don't know if you guys will be able to tell very well. But it's got like a few different slots right here for cards, which I think is super duper handy. You know, this is a smaller bag. I mean, it's still a good size bag. Like, here it is next to my phone, just so you guys can see, and like depth wise. So I think this is like a good half day in the parks bag. Like, you can't pack, you know, a ton in here, but I can pack my phone, like portable charger. I can pack, you know, a small refillable water bottle in here, my coin purse, my vlogging camera. Like, I can fit a decent amount in here, but I can't fit like a whole change of clothes or something like that. So yeah, oh my gosh, I'm obsessed with this. So anyways, Those are my first ever Loungefly purchases. I know this was like a quick little haul, but I just had to show you guys, and these will be going in a suitcase in the next couple days, and I wanted to show you guys them before I took them to the parks, and they got maybe a little scuffed up or something. I'm gonna try and keep them in good condition, but the parks are hard on whatever you take to them. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you did, please give it a like and hit that subscribe button down below for more Disney content and just to hang out with me. I would really appreciate it. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know which of these Loungefly bags was your favorite, and if there are any Loungefly launches that you're looking forward to, I would love to know in the comments below. So yeah, make sure to follow me on Instagram at Holly_Hickman or my Etsy shop at HollyLollyCo. That's where I post most of my Disney content. And then follow my Etsy shop on Etsy as well, Holly Lolly Co. Link in the descriptions. I'm rambling. Hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
Yeah, yeah.